This is the Iowa Weather Report for Thursday, October 31st, 2013. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. This is at 1 p.m. this afternoon. You can see trough axis moving into the state with some energy, mainly to our south across Oklahoma, Kansas, and Missouri. This will be with a frontal system that will be departing the state later today, with some clouds, a little bit of shower activity possible, at least through the early afternoon hours, with skies beginning to clear very slowly Thursday night, tonight into Friday. There still could be a few clouds around with a little bit of a disturbance coming through later for Friday night into early on Saturday with a little bit of rain and or snow. But that looks to not affect us that badly as we move into the weekend. Highs will be dropping back into the 40s to lower 50s with a few clouds here and there with any snow or precipitation, in this case off in the Great Lakes. Winds do switch around to the south here on Sunday. Temperatures will be bumped up back into the 50s to maybe around 60 or so, with the warmest temperatures coming in from the south. You can see the moisture will begin to gather here on Monday. There could be an isolated shower or so with the system as it moves in. And then we move into Tuesday. You can see the frontal system will be still close by. There could be an isolated shower or so. Better chances look to be to our south over Missouri down into Texas. And even on Wednesday, and see the low pressure center will be near Chicago. We could still see some rain, and mainly in the eastern counties. Some cold air will filter in that may bring us a little bit of wintry mix as it ends. And then a week from today, you can see that trough axis will be just about to depart the state. The energy still to our south and east at this point. But that'll just keep a lot of the rain progressive, a little bit of the snow as well. This will drop the temperatures back into the 40s for highs and lows in the mid to upper 20s, with most of the precipitations to the Mississippi River. A couple days after that, on November the 11th, Veterans Day, we have pretty much a zonal flow across the country, some trough axis moving across New England with some energy like that. And that could bring a little bit of rain and or snow in that area. Nothing too significant at this point. Another storm about to move into the Pacific Northwest coast as well. And then as we go to the end of the forecast on November the 15th, there's a bit of a trough trying to dig in across the central plain states. Some energy with that. Otherwise, it looks pretty zonal at this point. And then we have a system moving through, say, North Dakota with a little bit of rain shower activity. And some activity there we'll have to wait and see. Look at the satellite image from last evening. You'll see quite a bit of cloudiness extending from the Great Lakes to the mid-Mississippi River Valley down into Texas, with a complex of showers and thunderstorms over East Texas. Taking a look at the watch warning map from last evening, we had dense fog advisories in Minnesota and Wisconsin, some high wind watches in New England, flash flood watches to our south, elsewhere fairly quiet. Taking a look at the QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Monday evening at 6 o'clock, showing the heaviest precipitation over Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, and from Kansas into the Great Lakes, with a little bit around here.